Not live?
Oh, no.
Now we're live. Hey, what's up? It's Matt. I'm here with Isaiah of Smooth Creations. Did I say it right?
Yeah, you did. You got it.
Okay.
You got it.
So this is the world premiere of something. I haven't seen them yet. I wouldn't let him open the box. So you guys have all seen the MP logo. Everybody thinks it's a fist. I tricked you. It's Matt Platt. And of course, we started rolling out more gear. What did you call this, Mark? A toque?
Yeah.
I call it a hat or a toboggan. He calls it a toque, but he's also from New York. We got the MP shorts. We got sweatpants. We got T-shirts.
Now
Oh,
you
man.
got the shoes.
Now we got the shoes. So my friend Bridget, who met you at NKU, tell us about your company.
So my company is called Smooth Creations. We focus on customizing, cleaning, and restoring shoes. And so then we just hooked my man Matt up with some shoes today.
Well, let's see what we got. Here we go.
For sure, I'll let you see that.
So we got the Cincinnati skyline. We got the MP logo. I've never seen black soles. That's nice. We got the orange, the black on top. I gotta say, that's pretty freaking cool.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
So tell us the process. Like how do you do this? How do you do this cool stuff?
Gotcha. So the first step is intake. So then we have designers on our team, which is the person on the camera, DJ. He creates a mock-up for it. And then, so we have a mock-up, then we get the shoe. Then we just airbrush. We have our own stencil cutter, so we can cut out any shape that you want or any logo that you want. And then we put your logo on it. And then we have airbrush and different artworks that we put and different techniques that we put into the shoe. And then we're able to make an artwork out of it.
You can do about anything. So I could do like a different version of MP shoes like
Yes,
every
you
month.
can. You can, every month.
This might get
A
dangerous.
different city skyline or anything.
So there we go. So I can be the model. I'm head to toe, MP. It's me, with me, with me, with me. So there we go. If y'all need something, hit me up. I'll hook you up with this guy.
For sure.
I think we all need branded shoes. Thank you, sir.
No problem.
Appreciate it.
Thank you for the business.
Adios.